people, this is your favorite guy, Raymond Eche Agbaleno. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if it is your first time watching us. Today, we are on our way to Eastern region and we are visiting Boti Waterfalls. Boti Waterfall is one of the most beautiful and famous natural attractions located near Kufuridia in the eastern region. It is a twin waterfall surrounded by serenic landscape that make it perfect destination for nature lovers and tourists. The landscape is crazy. The view no is not easy at all. Seriously, this is for nature lovers. Guys, make a trip to this place, then you can understand how my feeling is. So guys, I want to leave you guys to experience it. I also wish you can also contact us now so that we can take that is our tour guide, and he's giving us a small brief history about Boti Waterfalls. And according to our tour guide, he said this twin waterfall is discovered by a hunter called Nene Tete. And then also, he said the name is not Boti Falls. That is not the original name. The original name is Boti Waterfalls, because the white people cannot pronounce the name, so they corrupted the name. That is why it became Boti Waterfalls. But the actual original name is Boti Waterfalls. So I just learned something new. And then also the falls is male and female. So we have the male and then female. That is so why it's called Twin Waterfalls. So in case you didn't know, so today now you know that it is now called Boti Waterfalls. And then you see the first one is male, and then the second one is what? Female, and it's called Boti Waterfalls. It's not Boti Waterfalls, Boti Waterfalls. No, we have to get back and call the original name, not because of how a white man pronounce it, because they cannot pronounce Boti. So they corrupted the name. That's why it became Boti. So we also accepted it and we are calling it Boti. So guys,